morning class. So today we are going to study the Nightingale and the Glowworm poem. So this poem is basically about a nightingale and a clever glowworm. Why we are calling glowworm as clever? Because very cleverly he saves himself from being the prey of nightingale. Why we are saying he for glowworm and for nightingale? Because in the poem, poet used pronoun he for nightingale and glowworm. Okay, so over here in this poem, poet says that nightingale bird keeps on singing for the whole day. For all day long it keeps on singing. Yes, and why nightingale is famous? For which particular thing? Nightingale is famous for its sweet voice. And glowworm is famous for what? Is famous for its lamp. Means for the gift of God, that is the power to shine. Okay, so nightingale keeps on singing for the whole day, and at the end of the day it gets tired. Yes, he gets tired, and after getting tired he wants some food, and for food he started looking all around him. And when he was looking all around him, he found a glowworm up on the ground. Fine. And as soon as he saw the glowworm on the ground, the glowworm immediately got the intentions. He became aware of the intentions of the nightingale. Which kind of intentions we are talking about? The intentions that nightingale will going to eat the glowworm. So to save himself from the nightingale, from being his prey, he very cleverly asked certain questions from nightingale and even admired his sweet voice, because of which nightingale fallen in his trap and release him and doesn't eaten him up. So a nightingale that all day long had cheered the village with his song. So nightingale for the whole day was cheering the people of the village by its sweet music, by its sweet voice, and even these are certain phrases that you will find in your poem. So, nor yet at eve his notes suspended, means it is now evening time still. It is continued singing. It is not tired of singing. But as soon as the night is approaching, right? Evening is ending and night is approaching, it start feeling, begin to feel hungry. Keen demands of appetite means nightingale begins to feel hungry, and when it feels hungry, he wants food. So he started looking eagerly around himself, and he spied far off upon the ground, and he quickly spied means he went down upon the ground to have the glowworm. Something shining in the dark. And what is that something shining? That is a glowworm that was shining on the ground. And knew the glowworm by his spark. So nightingale came to know the glowworm from how? From the spark, from the lamp or the shine that is there. So stooping down from hawthorn top. Hawthorn actually is a kind of shrub with thorns. Fine. So nightingale was sitting on that shrub, and quickly he came down towards the ground to have the glowworm. And as I said, glowworm understood and became aware of the intentions of the nightingale, and because of which he asked certain questions. And the phrase used for that is hang round him. Yes. So he asked certain questions from the nightingale to save himself. And what was that question? Did you admire my lamp? So he asked him, do you admire my lamp? Do you admire my beauty of power of shining? As much I, your mistressly, means the way I admire, glowworm is saying to nightingale, the way I admire your sweet voice, your sweet music, is the same way you like my lamp. And if you like my lamp, you will not do anything wrong to me. You will dislike to do me wrong. As much as I to spoil your song, for it is the self same power divine. Means the glowworm is saying he's making the nightingale realize that it is the God gift. Even you have got this gift from the God, that is a gift of your sweet voice, and a gift that I got from the God is of lamp, that is of power to shine. And we both, that is, you have got the power to sing and I have got the power to shine, might beautify and cheer the night. And this power to shine is there for me to add beauty, enhance the beauty of the night. So after listening to all these things, admiration that the glowworm was doing of the nightingale, he liked very, he was very happy after listening to his praise, and that's why he released him. Means he released him. He didn't eaten the glowworm and gone somewhere else to find it supper. Supper refers to dinner. So he went somewhere else to find the supper. So that's it about the poem, children. Read this poem again, and if you have any problem, you can ask me in the class. Thank you.